everyone and welcome back to another quick Blender tutorial. Today I'm going to be going over how you can lock your camera to view, which can make it a lot easier to position your camera. I have covered this in a tutorial dedicated all about the camera. However, there will be some people who only want to know this quick tip, so I'll put it into a quick tip video just now. So all I'm going to do is press Shift A on the keyboard. Under camera, I'll left click camera, and now I can press numpad 0 or just click this button here to go into camera. Then under view, I can turn on this camera to view. Now whenever I zoom out or I move like this, my camera will follow. One thing to keep in mind, if I click one of these axes here, it will take me out of camera view, and I'll need to click it again to enter back into it. Then all I need to do is get it into position. And yeah, that's about it. Very quick tip for you guys. If you do find videos like these useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I make more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.